So here's kind of a first look at the lawn. It's looking really bad in spots. I grew corn there this year. Don't know why, just did. Had the room, so planted the seeds. Chicken coop over there, bunch of garbage here. I gotta clean this up. But the point of this video is the lawn and the terrible shape that it's in. Some spots look good, like right here. Looks pretty good. And it was just mowed today, so I can see quite a bit of lawn over here that is like new lawn, which, I mean, come on, focus. Kind of looks new. Can I focus on that guy right there? No, it's not gonna let me just focus on that guy. I recently cut that annoying tree down, and now this all gets sun over here, so it's looking a lot better. I potentially am going to cut that tree down as well because of how it's leaning. I'll show you. Leaning right towards the house, so let's get a good perspective. Hey chickens. Bark, 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 bark. It's the rooster right there, or what I believe to be the rooster. Okay. Gosh, it's just ugly. It's almost embarrassing sharing. Nothing has ever grown along the fence there. I assume it's because of the shade. I'm not sure. That's a old birdhouse that actually used to be right there. It's no longer there. Fell apart. And as we go this way, it gets even worse and worse and worse. All the way to over here where it's just, look at that. Oh, look at that. Little blue belly. Oh, there he goes. The reason why it's dead over here is because my sprinkler broke. I have two of them. They're sticking up way too high out of the ground. There's one right there. And there used to be one right there, but now it's right there. So I'll have to fix that. Anyway, back over here. Ignore this mess. Got some plants growing back here. It's a little apricot tree that I grew from a seed. Pretty awesome. So yeah, the theory or the meaning behind this video is that's what my lawn looks like. And I'm gonna fix it. I'm gonna get this whole yard all fixed up. Got a little flower bed along the back there. Marigolds haven't bloomed yet, and it's already August, but they were planted late. But anyway, I'm getting off task. So I'm going to create a playlist of getting this yard all fixed up into shape, and I'll show you the front as well. We'll skip over to there right now. The front is just as bad, if not worse. Yes, some spots the water just doesn't reach out there.
What kind of towel is that? Where did you get that?
And I just redid that flower bed. Pretty happy with that, but as you can see, the front is seen better days. So this is the spot where the wife always walks when she parks, right there. Okay, so I came back out back because my neighbors are being complete loud douche-tards, and yeah, made it impossible for filming. So I'll show you really quick before I end this. We might be doing something with the rest of my property back here. we just have to wait and see how that goes. But that's the plan. We're going to renovate this lawn, and I hope you'll join me and enjoy it.